The rear cover supports the rear armature bearing, protects the back of the drill, and allows ventilation to cool the motor. Most problems with the rear cover are caused by a seized armature bearing, which melts the plastic. Other problems can be caused by dropping the drill, or by other accidents. The rear cover also holds the rubber pins, which apply pressure to keep the brush wire clips securely fastened to the brush holders. If the brush clips won't stay attached to the holders on your drill, you likely have a damaged rear cover, or the rubber pins are missing. The rear cover should be kept clean of caulk or adhesives that might block off its vents, preventing cool air from getting to the drill's motor. I'll begin by removing the battery. Now remove the rear cap. It's held in place with 2 screws. There are 2 rubber pins inside the rear cap. Their purpose is to apply pressure to the clips on the brush holders. I'll go ahead and remove these pins so I can transfer them to the new cap. And I'll just press the pins into the holes on the new cap. Now I'll replace the rear cover and secure it with the screws.